Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kelsey if you are new here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I created this entire look using products that I haven't used in a long time, but I really love how everything turned out. This makeup look was really easy to do. I think it's summer appropriate. I kept the eye look simple but with a pop of color with the wing liner, and these lashes are bomb. So before we get into this video, make sure you are following me on Instagram. It is kelsey.aaliyah. Every time I upload a new video, I will let you all know on Instagram first, so make sure you are following your girl. So if you want to see how I created this entire makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with the face because the eye look is going to be very easy to do. So I'm just going to start off with cleaning my skin with the micellar water. This is the waterproof one. Next, I'm going to apply my MAC Strobe cream. I haven't used this in a long time. This strobe cream is really good if you have like dry skin or you just want your face to be more glowy underneath your foundation. I'm just going to take this sample eye cream that I got from Sephora. Yo, look at my baby. So I want to introduce you all to my baby Milo. Say hi. Hi. Don't let his looks fool you because he's a sneaky little dog. Give me a kiss. Okay. For primer, I'm going to use my Too Faced Hangover RX primer. In order for your makeup to apply properly, you have to focus on your skincare first. For our foundation, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Mocha. I haven't used this foundation in a long time because this is a little darker, but since I am nice and tan, it's going to work today. So I'm just going to spray my brush with some Fix Plus and just apply one pump. Next, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12. I haven't used this in a long time. This foundation kind of smells minty though. So I'm just going to let that concealer blend out for a little bit. For cream contouring, I'm going to use my Anastasia foundation stick in the shade Walnut. Taking whatever's on my hand. Applying it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blend that out. Now that the concealer is blended out, I'm just gonna take this brush once again and blend out the cream contour. Blending it like a little bit towards my hairline. Then taking my Real Technique sponge and blending everything out. set my concealer, I'm going to use these two Makeup Revolution loose setting powders and Deep Banana. Well, Banana Deep and Banana. Now that that powder has set into my skin, I'm going to brush it off. And also going behind with a clean fluffy brush to make sure all that powder is gone. To set my entire face, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Honey. I'm not going to take a lot, honestly, just is whatever on this top. And right now I'm just taking my Real Technique sponge and patting all the products together. To bronze my skin, I'm going to take my Too Faced Amazonian Clay Bronzer. I've had this for some time now. Something about this bronzer is just like, ooh, I absolutely love it. For blush, I'm going to use my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek blush in the shade Bar Dot. And this blush looks really good on deeper skin tones just because it has that deep rose and berry tone to it. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Dose of Colors Katie and Desi highlighter in Chasing the Sun. Just look at this. I love the packaging of this whole entire collection. The first time I wore this highlighter, I got so many compliments. For brows, I'm going to use my ColourPop brow pencil. Nothing new. Comment down below what other brow products you think I should try out. Now I'm just going to clean them up with the same concealer in my Morphe M432 brush. Okay, brows are done, so now we can go straight into the eye look. Today I want to use my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go in with this brown taupey shade right here. And to blend this out, I'm using my Morphe M504 brush. So now I'm going in with this mauve brown shade right here and apply it right on top. I'm also applying this shade to my lid. Next, I'm going to apply this NYX Vivid Bright Eyeliner. One thing that I will say about this liner is that it dries really fast. For mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Lash. For lashes, I'm going to use these I Envy 3D Collection lashes, and they're in the number 124. These lashes look so nice. For the inner corner highlight, I'm just going to use the same highlighter. Just taking a little bit of this micellar water and gonna take some of that foundation off my lips. I was kind of in between lips. Like, I didn't know if I wanted to go like towards the nude mauvey brown shades or just do a cute gloss. But I'm going to line my lips with this NYX Professional Lip Liner in the shade Nutmeg. For the lipstick, I'm going to use my MAC lipstick in the shade Peach Stock. Just a really nice peachy nude. Going back in with that lip liner. And to finish the lips, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. So I feel like my highlight could be a little bit more popping, so I'm going to go ahead and use my ColourPop and Makeup Shayla Loose Pigment Highlighter. To set this entire look, I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus Spray. And this is the completed look. That is it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Peace.